Welcome to How to Solve.
How to create website in Canva with AI Chat GPT. So first that we're going to do is to open the AI Chat GPT website using our browser. So I am using the Chrome browser. So you just type down AI Chat GPT or just simply Chat GPT. And there you go, you just click on the first option, the Chat GPT Open AI. And here, this is the how does the Chat GPT looks like. And these are some examples of the prompts that you're going to use when you command the Chat GPT. Next is open the Canva website. In my case, I had installed Canva on my iPad. So you can see their websites, just click on it. And these are the sample templates of the website. You can just also start from a blank website, but if you want an easier one, you can choose from the templates given here. These are the templates: bio link website, portfolio website, and of course we have here business website, and we have event website and educational website. So let's get to try to choose one of the templates that they provide. So let's take to choose one. Maybe we will just choose the educational website. The business website. So we have here, this is an example of a business website. So in this template, we have here on the right side, we have so many templates provided. So you can just choose and personalize your page or your template. Now, in the template, you can just simply change everything. Just like this one. You can change the pictures on it. You just tap the picture and then you can delete it and change it. Now let's go to photos and let's choose one photo to replace the current photo. Let's choose one. Okay, this one. You can adjust, you can drag it down, drag it from the left to the side, up and down to fit. And you can also add frames on it. Now, how to add text? So here, let's go back to the Chat GPT website and then let's type down here make make a title for a business website and then tap on send. And there you go, it's generating the response. Now let's have another response. Let's make a subtitle. Make me a subtitle for the business website. And just follow the step. Just tap on the send. And there you go. It generated a response. So you just need to copy that one, or it's up to you if you want to rephrase it. It just gives you an idea. And then just paste it there. So you just delete the words and copy and paste it from the Chat GPT. You can also change the text. You can also change the color of the font. You can adjust. You can drag it from anywhere you want. As what you can see, we have a lot of options here in Canva for the font. And yes, let's try some fonts here of what's going to be nice. And of course, you can also change the color of the text from any color that you want that combines with this kind of color. And I guess that's it. That is how easy on how you make a website using Canva with Chat GPT. And I hope it helps a lot. That's it.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.